soul so weary when troubles come and my heart burdened be.
Then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. Raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. Raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. Raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. Raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be.
You may now be seated. Thank you. This is a thrilling night for the senior high school division as we will witness again the traditional live musical play for the University Week evening presentation where students will showcase their talino, talento, tatag, and taus-pusong Rizaliano through a play. Did you know that there is a musical play titled Mula sa Buwan? One said, ang tanghalang ito atin ngayong gabi, walang makakapigil, hindi tayo titigil. Indeed, we will not stop because this is just the beginning. And I'm certain that everyone must be curious to see what is Luminara. Especially after seeing the teaser's post from our Facebook page and all the hype made by the committee. Some of you might be asking, what is Luminara? What is Luminara? To give us a short glimpse and introduce the play, let us all welcome our senior high school principal, Mrs. Maria Teresa B. Bonus. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good evening, Rizalians! Good evening, everyone. To our dear University President, Dr. Vicente K. Fabella, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Miguel M. Carpio, to our Integration Officer, Mr. Romel Navarro, our respected function heads, and other university officers, our guests, our very supportive parents, valued alumni, dedicated faculty and staff, and our dear students, a warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you. This evening, we bring you a story that reflects the journey of many senior high school students. A journey shaped by expectations, sacrifices, and the pursuit of excellence. More than just a performance, tonight's presentation is a collaborative and culminating activity of our grade 12 and grade 11 students across all strands. It showcases not only their talents, but the true spirit of Husay Rizal, excellence rooted in perseverance, integrity, and purpose. The story invites us to look beyond achievements and awards and to see the deeper realities behind them, the challenges, the difficult choices, and the quiet truths that shape who we are becoming. It unfolds during a prestigious research competition where 3 exceptional students are challenged to work together, demanding teamwork, responsibility, and professionalism. As expectations rise and deadlines grow tighter, maintaining balance becomes increasingly difficult. One student feels constant pressure from her mother to achieve more, pushing her to take control even when it begins to strain her relationships. Another carries a secret he cannot yet reveal, choosing silence while battling his own internal conflict. The third, burdened by her family's financial struggles, juggles work and education, often at the expense of her health, leading to tension and weakening trust within the group. As their personal struggles begin to affect the competition, they are forced to move forward despite uncertainty and unanswered questions. It is only at graduation, when hidden truths come to light, that everything becomes clear, reshaping how they see themselves, one another, and what success truly means. Tonight, we witness not just a story on stage, but a reflection of resilience, growth, and the light that shines even in the most challenging moments. This is a celebration of our students' journey and the Husay Rizal that continues to guide them. So, open your hearts, open your minds, and let this story inspire you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Bonus, for that insightful and inspiring synopsis. We truly appreciate your time and effort in giving us a meaningful glimpse into what is Luminara. Your words have certainly heightened our excitement and curiosity for what lies ahead. To add fuel to the fire of anticipation, let us call on one of the people who made this play possible. It is with great pride and honor to introduce one of the directors, playwrights, and the production manager of the play. To give us a short message on behalf of the entire team, let us give her a round of applause, Miss Dayancy Tuanyo of D12A.
A good evening and warm welcome to everyone. I am Dayancy Tuanyo, the production manager for this year's senior high school evening presentation here at Jose Rizal University. Firstly, I would like to acknowledge everyone here with us at the JRU Quadrangle and those who are watching via Facebook Live. I want to thank you for your presence and lending your time to here with us. I also want to acknowledge our production, art, and technical team. Your humor, patience, and grit is what made this vision possible. To our coordinators, chairperson, co-chairs, and faculty members, I express my deepest gratitude for their helpful and unwavering support. To the parents, I thank you for your understanding and encouragement. And now to our principal, Mrs. Maria Teresa Bonus, and to Jose Rizal University. Thank you for providing us the liberty to showcase our perspective and to express our creativity. Now, this play is unlike any other presented before this very stage. We faced many challenges. We had a limited budget, demanding time constraints, and limited facilities and equipment. But akin to the rose of Jericho in the Sahara Desert, rooted in the unforgiving landscape of the harsh winds and drought, even the smallest droplet of water can bring this flower back to life. It blooms as if it faced no trials. This is the spirit of creativity. When making this play, we wanted to create an immersive experience. We wanted to stay true to the real experiences of students. A world of buried truths, sudden confrontations, and harsh realities. This means you will not witness a story that will be focused on romance. Instead, it is a story about the death of oneself for the rebirth of a new one. Each line, lyric, prop, and spotlight was directed with the intention to bring into the light what we often bury into the dark. Once again, thank you for attending this fruitful evening, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between. Tonight, we witness that light lingers where shadows once stood. I proudly present to you, Luminara.
Uy, sa tingin mo, aabot kayo tayo sa honors?
Ewan, hindi na ako mag-expect. Hirap ng midterms, di ba?
Huwag ka naman paghinaan ng loob. Malay mo may milag ang darating. Ikaw na pala top 1. Sana naman pasado tayo lahat.
Hoy, ang iingay nyo Sisimula na
Now, we proceed to the most awaited part. This midterm's top 3, who will also be our representatives for the upcoming La Corona del Genio Research Competition. Before I announce, every student here did their best. This is simply a ranking. Anyway, let's move on. So, running for valedictorian is, drumroll please, none other than Tayo Bautista. Ang galing! Parang si ate lang, si Kate.
Wow, grabe ka talaga, Talia. My forever top 1.
Expected na yan. Bautista
For our second highest we have Joanna Castillo. Great job, Nak!
Ma, si Castillo rin yung top 2 niya last time, di ba? Oo, ma. Siya rin yun. Ba't hindi niya mataas-taas na si Bautista? Tapos kung makaas ka yung nanay, alam mo kung sino. Ma, abaan mo yung process mo. Baka marinig ka nila, oh.
And last, but not least, Kenneth Vergara for our top 3. Ang galing naman! Once again, congrats ma anak, and thank you for coming everyone. For the parents po of the top 3, stay lang po kayo saglit for more elaboration on the research competition. Ayun nga po, napili yung mga anak ninyo because we want the best of the best to represent the school. They will be in a group to create one paper. The best paper in the competition will earn a cash prize. I'll send further details na lang via emails ninyo. And to permit your child to participate, kindly sign these consent forms na lang po. That's all. Thank you again for coming and congratulations.
Ang galing naman ng anak mo! Biruin mo, valedictorian!
Siya nga pala na, may handa kaming pagkain sa bahay. Favorite mo.
Uy, Talia! Ay, hi po, Tito. Hi po, Tita. Uy, congrats ah! So ano, celebrate na natin yan? Tsaka, gala naman tayo. Wala nang atrasan yun ah.
Sige, basta libre mo ha.
Iha, you're top 2 again? I expected more.
But I did my best.
Mom! Kung best na yan, bakit pangalawa ka lang? Doing your best isn't enough, Joanna. You need to level up.
I did everything I could. I even ranked second.
Shut up! Hello? Yes?
Ang galing-galing talaga ng anak ko! Kung ganyan ka kagaling, aba! Babae na mismo habol sa'yo.
Wala po ang balak doon.
Ay. Basta. Pagbutihin mo pa. Ayos? Father, I know you're not disappointed, can't say the same. Everyone seems to have found themselves. I know you know everything comes well, pero hindi sapat. Hindi pa buo ang puso ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin ang nais ko.
I am endlessly grateful for the support, but I'm in my own head right now. My mind is a strange
send the link, list down na lang yung mga suggested topics nyo. Maglagay kayo ng prototype titles and the overview of your ideas. Remember, if we win, we get a cash prize. So, today deadline, 11:59 p.m. sharp. Then, tomorrow after class, let's go to Kenneth para i-finalize yung mapipili nating topic. Okay ba yun sa inyo? Never mind, wala rin naman kayong choice.
It's fine for me.
Hindi ko yata matatapos yan. May pupuntahan pa kasi ako importante eh. Hello? Joanna? Hello? Hala, nawala. Message ko na lang. Baka na-disconnect eh. Hello, Joanna. Just to inform lang, may importante kasi akong pupuntahan ngayon. Kaya baka hindi ko maibigay mga ideas ko.
Ang dami na naman nating bayarin, mahal. Halos hindi na mapagkas ng mga gastusin natin eh. Di bale, pabiyaya ko bukas ng matagal para kahit paano marami tayong kita.
Sige, ako rin. Kukuha ako ng maraming habada bukas para naman kumita pa ng kaunti. Sakto, nagpapalabangin sila Marifet. Nagkikipayan ako kahit papano.
Ma, Pa, punta lang po ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Gagala lang po kami.
Sige anak, basta huwag magpapagabi ha.
Mag-iingat ka.
Opo, una na po ako.
Iha, I just want to say that you did great kanina.
But I keep on pushing you to your limits because I know that you can do better. And you should be better. Back in my day, mahirap ang buhay. Kaya lang tayo nakaka-afford ng ganito dahil nagsikap ako kahit wala yung magaling mong tatay. So, don't be complacent with being top 2. Sana maintindihan mo. Promise me that in the finals, when you graduate, when it counts, that you will be the valedictorian.
Yes po, ma. I will po.
Joanna, anak, please, see this as an act of love. Mother knows best, di ba? Para sa'yo rin naman to, nak.
Do what I'm prophesized to do. If it's not what's asked, do it better before they look. She'd have done it better were she me. I have to act like I would. Isn't much to ask that people close their eyes when I stumble, to look the other way when for once I crumble. I can't risk being me if it's not what mother seeks. I'm not someone if I'm not the one they wanna see. Until then, I'm a nobody. That's what I'd rather be than a daughter that doesn't bring you glee.
Thank you po pa.
Oh, maraming chicks ang anak ko ah. Ay, biro lang. Sige na, sige na. kumain na kayo dyan.
Based sa mga nilagay natin, Kenneth,
Ay, oo nga pala. Pasensya na, Joanna. May kailangan kasi akong puntahan eh. Nag-message din ako sa'yo Baka hindi mo lang nakita.
ay, nag-message ka pala? Sorry di ko nabasa.
Ha?
Okay, based sa mga nakalagay dito, pwede na nating i-plot yung mga pros and cons.
Tingin ko, narrow down sa top 3, then choose from there.
I agree. Actually, may suggestion niya rin ako
Honestly, from the topic, walang nag-stick sa akin. Puro effect sa academics.
Oo nga eh. Yun ang diniisip ko kagabi eh. Dapat pang long term or impactful.
Uy, may naisip din ako na topic. About siya sa mental health.
Masyadong malawak.
Kaya nga, syempre, pipili tayo ng focus. Yung conditions na wala pa masyadong accessible solutions.
Oo, yung hindi pa ganun ka-explored. Maganda, Jo.
Sige, bilis. Bigay pa kayo ng mga pwede.
Depression or yung mga eating disorder.
How about schizophrenia?
Ay, ano nga uli yun? Oh my gosh, I forgot. I read the book once before and a character there has PTSD. Although hindi siya masyadong napag-usapan sa story, but I think it's good na rin since it's for a research competition. So, okay yun?
Okay. Kung okay na sa'yo.
So then, sino pwede maging participants natin? Workout na rin natin yung gap.
Teka ha. Oh, ito pala. Sakto. Wala masyadong research about PTSD sa adolescents.
Kaso lang may hirapan tayo sa participants. Paano kaya yun?
What if sa online manggaling yung data?
Oo, magandang idea yan. Actually, sabi nga rin dito, may gap sa exploring ng effect of online support for PTSD. Like, if nakakatulong ba talaga siya?
Kailangan ko na pala umalis. Urgent kasi siya eh. Pwede pa-update na lang ako kung ano pwede ko i-ambag mamaya.
Uy, okay ka lang? Parang namumutla ka. Uy, okay ka lang?
Letter B, Kenneth.
Hindi. Okay lang ako. Sige, una na ako
Okay. Sige. Stay safe, be.
Until 11:59 p.m. Talia, the literature review, kayong dalawa ni Kenneth. Okay, class? You may have your lunch. Yung top 3, stay muna.
Hala, lagot. Bye, ma'am.
Uy, tara, order tayo.
Wala akong pera. Pwede bang face card ko na lang? Ewan ko sa'yo. Tara na nga, kain na tayo.
So, the title is The Utility of Online Community Forums for Adolescents with Post-Traumatic Stress Disorder. Magandang topic nyo para sa akin, pero mag-undergo for approval pa siya sa mga higher-ups. But huwag kayo mag-alala, maganda ang topic kaya I really think na magustuhan niya ng board.
Thank you po, ma'am!
Sa peer evaluation pala, sino yung leader? Ikaw ba, Nak? Talia?
Hindi po ma'am, si Joanna po.
Ay, okay. I see. Can we talk in private, Joanna, regarding on sa peer evaluation? If you would please kindly leave the room muna, Talia and Kenneth. Thank you.
So, yung tanong ko.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Talia, ano first impression mo sa akin? Kasi alam mo ba, yung first impression ko sa inyo, Joanna, para kayong Leon na tigre. Roar! Over naman sa hayop.
Over talaga. Pero, alam mo yung first impression ko sa'yo? It's like, ang kalmado mo lang. Alam mo yung hindi ka nga na-stress. Pero, pag ka naman ma-intimidate Tignan mo nga ako, oh. Wala kang masyado naiambag sa research natin.
Uy, hindi naman. Ay, lunch na pala. Sama ka sa amin ni Joanna. Kantin kami.
Huwag na. Baka may pupuntahan pa
Sige
kasi.
na, be. Mahirap mag-isip pag gutom.
Hindi, kasi nagtitipid.
Sige na. Ay, hala, sorry.
Kailangan manunok, be? Oo na, sige na. Sasama na ako.
Uy, Joanna. How did it go?
It was great. Tara na. Next in line po.
Uy, Talia, may kwento ako sa'yo.
Ano yun? Bilis, may customer pa ako.
So ito na nga, kwento ko sana yung ano.
Ano?
Ba't kasi nagdadaldalan sa trabaho? Bataan talaga ngayon. Pakibilisan naman. May pupuntahan pa ako.
Ay, sorry po. Mamaya na lang, be.
Ano na, miss? Ayaw talaga?
Sandali lang po, mama. Try ko po ulit.
Kanina pa ako nakatayo rito, oh. Isang swipe lang naman yan.
Wait lang po talaga. Pasensya na po.
Lagi ka na lang pasensya. Puro ka naman salita eh. Galaw-galaw rin, please.
Opo, ma'am.
O, ayan. Finally.
Opo. Salamat po sa paghihintay. Next in line po. Miss? Oh, okay ka lang? Ay, good day po.
Ate, may babayaran sa toga pick namin for graduation.
O sige, magkano ba? Ako na bahala. Bigay ko bukas. Pero, magkano ba?
Sure ka? Baka marami ka pang gastos.
Hoy! O, yan? Para sa'yo naman to eh. One time ka lang gagraduate.
Grabe ka talaga. Parang nanay.
Excuse me? Ate lang to ha? Pero syempre, ating pang forever.
Ate, next time, pag college na ako, libre mo ako milk tea ha?
Deal. Pero dapat, mataas grades mo.
Lo, pressure agad.
Motivation yun. Grabe talaga. College ka na.
Oh, Tanya, na-flash ako na yung uniform mo ha? Excited na ako for you!
Si ate? Ang OA?
Aba, syempre, first private school mo yun. Bonggang-bongga mo na talaga.
Kinakabahan nga ako, ate.
Ano ka ba? Manang-mana ka kaya kay ate. Kaya keep in mind, pag napagod ka, okay lang umiyak.
Paano kung araw-araw na pagod?
E di, araw-araw din kitang yayakapin.
Yes? Yung groceries?
Uy, te, ano na? Makasunod.
I'm sorry po, ma'am. Ito na po. It's alright.
Tal, okay ka lang? Parang kanina ka pa tulala.
Okay lang ako. Dali lang talaga.
Sabihin mo lang ha, pag kailangan mo ng pahinga, hindi ka naman robot.
Pero te,
You know what, Tal? Break ka muna pala. Ako na bahala rito. Promise.
Tal? Pagod?
wala lang. Nakakamiss ko si ate. Miss na miss ko na siya kay.
Alam mo, your ate will be proud of you. Seeing you still fighting for your family. And as far as I can see, you are her sister.
Alam mo yung kahit 7 years na, hindi pa rin wala yung mga butas na iniwan niyo. Anong dapat gawin ko doon?
Tara nga rito.
Alam mo, ang clingy mo no? Kaya tayo naasar eh.
You wish. Ay, oo nga pala. Yung kwento ko sa'yo kanina.
Pasensya na. Ano ulit yun?
Naalala mo yung pinakilala ko sa'yo dati?
Di ko na maalala eh. Sino ulit?
Lucio, palimutan agad. Basta si, huwag na nga, hindi naman na siya importante pa.
So, gaano nakatagal?
Last week lang.
Anyway, alam mo, meron akong bagong na-recruit sa group ko sa research. Magka-vibes nga kayo eh. What if?
Uy, Talia, ano na naman yan?
Basta, send ko sa'yo yung link ng profile niya mamaya. Ano, deal?
Joanna, Iha, why are you still up? This past few weeks, puyat ka lagi.
The research, Mom. Remember?
Of course, yes, that. Pero, why are you doing most of the work? Aren't you grouped with the top one? Si Bautista.
That's the thing, Mom. Palagi na lang siyang wala eh. She keeps on saying na may pupuntahan siya, quote-unquote, urgent.
Then why not report it to the teacher?
Don't worry, Mom. I already did.
You did? That's my girl. Don't let anyone walk over you. Little by little.
Yes po. Gagalingan ko pa po.
You will take what's yours. Keep it up.
Joanna did great, Joanna did great to be on top, like I want her to be. Look at you, you're brave like me, that's my daughter. Joanna did great.
Mother, was what I did to Talia okay?
Of course, my dear.
Joanna made me shocked, Joanna made me proud. She learned to stand in every stage she faced. Don't let anyone walk all over you. Remember to be perfect.
Mother, why do I always need to be perfect?
Do you want us to return where we came from?
Joanna did it right, Joanna did a must. For our sake, that we must keep alive. I don't wanna live with rats anymore.
Always remember, Joanna. This is for the best.
Okay, Mother.
That's why you did great.
Ernesto, kaya pa ba natin bayaran yung fish ni Talia? Ang dami pa nating gastusin, oh. Ang dami pang kailangan bayaran. Sa bahay, sa kuryente, sa tubig. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko.
Kung nandito pa sana si Kate. Alam mo, baka kailangan ko na mag-extra biyahe. Pero, parang kulang pa rin eh. Pero hindi talaga, Susan. Ginawa ko naman lahat ng mga kayanan ko.
Naintindihan ko. totoo lang, ako rin nahihirapan na. Alam mo yung, ayoko naman siyang patigilan sa pag-aaral. Pero paano?
Gagawa natin ng paraan yan. Gusto ko rin naman makapagtapos ng pag-aaral si Talia.
Ate.
Bunso, ano yung baon mo? Isang linggo mo na yan.
Ganda talaga ni ate. Thank you, ate.
Sus, huwag mo nga akong madaan-daan sa pambobola mo. Nasa na yung pera, oh. Siguraduhin mong kakasya yan sa isang linggo, ah. Huwag ka masyadong magpapalibre.
Ako ate, maganda ba ako? Ay hindi, wag na.
Hala siya, nababaliw ka na naman tayo.
Basta ate ha, sa susunod, ako naman ang bibili ng mga gusto nyo ni mama at papa. I'll make you all proud.
Kaya sikap lagi sa studies, Pat. You may have just started, pero bunso, we are already proud of how far you've gotten.
So si ate, papayok. Kaya love na love kita ate.
Oh, siya nga pala. Maaga kami aalis nila mama at papa, ha?
Ha? Aalis kayo? Saan kayo pupunta? Bakit naman di ako kasama?
Oo, sasamahan ko lang sila magpa-check up. Aalalayan lang.
Ay, oo nga pala. Kailangan na pala ni mama at papa ng bagong gamot. Basta ate ha, yung pasalubong ko.
Ay nako, singit talaga siya ng gusto niya. Oo na. O sige, aalis na ako. Bye, bunso.
Bye, ate.
Patapos na tayo sa discussion. Ken, tapos mo naman na yung template sa PPT, no? If yes, pa-revise na lang sa data.
Oh, may ulit. Parang napapadalas ka na magdala ng chicks dito, ah. Ay, sigurado ka bang grupo mo lang itong magagandan to, ha?
Pa naman! Sige na po, mag-research pa po kami. Please lang. Besides, I don't like them like that.
Oh, bakit naman? Ang ganda-ganda nito mga kaibigan mo. Jackpot ka talaga. Sana girlfriend na yung sunod, ha?
Pa-OA na.
Ay, nako. Basta, pag may problema ka sa babae, alam mo na agad kung sino pupuntahan mo, ha?
Pa naman!
Oh, I remembered. Malapit na rin pala yung graduation mo. Oy, Kenneth, ha? Tandaan mo, huwag mong gagayahin yung ibang mga lalaki na nagbibisyo. Seryoso ako, ha, Kenneth?
Tama na pa. Magre-research pa po kami.
Ay, nako. Nata ka na talaga. Sige. Pag-isipan mo at hinay-hinay lang sa checks, ha?
How did manage to always be the perfect son you want to see? Why do I keep hiding in the corner? I wear a smile but lose my spark. But I don't want to hide, I don't want to fake myself. But I don't know what to do, I don't know how. Step by step, it feels so wrong. Step and step, yeah, it feels wrong. I need to step forward to run, forward to the truth. That you always look up to me, pushing what is best, and I just hide in my room, shape myself into something new, but I been something wrong. I try to think of what I might have done that has led to you being gone. Step out, step, something is wrong. Step and step, yeah, feels wrong. I need to step forward to run, forward to reach you. Why not tell me just how you're feeling? I will ease what has been reeling in your mind. Confide in me, I'm by your side. It's like you're nowhere near. The distance is getting greater and greater. Confide in me so that you could be free. Pero pagod na akong magpanggap. I want to tell dad pero natatakot ako. Pero itatago ko na lang ba to? I fear this is not the time. But I can if I'm strong, strong enough to say the words in my mind that I can say. But I can if I'm strong, strong enough to say the words in my mind that I can say. That you always look up to me, pushing what is best, and I just hide in my room, shape myself into something new. But I'm compelled to hide, so I'll hide, just hide in the dark where it's safe to unmask. I'm tired of pretending. Father, I know, son, I know you're disappointed. No, I'm not. I feel it, I want to say something to you, but I can't.
Girl, di niyo pa ba alam?
Hindi pa nga eh. Hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko sasabihin sa kanya. Pasensya na pala kayo kay Papa ha. Ganun talaga yun.
It's okay. Anyway, going back, Talia, ikaw na lang yung mag-revise nung sa discussion. Then, pa-alphabetical na rin yung references.
Sige, pero... pwedeng break muna tayo? Kanina pa tayong 12 gumagawa, oh. 5:30 na.
Oo nga. Pahinga muna.
No. Hindi nga ako sure kung pupunta ka ngayon eh. Konti pa lang inaambag mo. Yung suggestion lang about sa mental health tapos konti sa literature review. Ako yung nag-contact sa participants. Ako yung nag-organize ng literature review. Ako yung nag-work out ng conceptual framework. Kami naman ni Kenneth yung nag-gather tapos nag-analyze ng data. Ikaw! Parang yung research nga natin tungkol sa'yo eh. Lagi kang pagod, iyakin, mood swings, ano pa? Ginusto mo to. Actually, kailangan mo nga eh, tapos gaganyan-ganyan ka. Kung aalis ka na naman, huwag ka na lang bumalik. Wala ka rin namang natutulong. Wala kang ambag!
Sorry, Joanna. Biglang ko na talaga umilis eh.
Uy, Talia! Jo, ano yun? Parang sumusobra naman na ata.
Don't question me, Kenneth. I did what I had to do.
Seryoso ka ba? Nasaktan yun. I get it, okay? Pressured ka sa kanya. Pressured ka sa lahat. Pero, don't you think you went too far?
Hindi naman siya ganun before. You know what? You stay here. Susundan ko siya. Ikaw muna mag-revise ng discussion.
Hello, wait! Ano ba naman yan? Away-away pa sa mga baklang to?
Ay! Ano ba yan? Ano ba meron sa harap? Ba't ang tagal?
Estudyante po ata. Kanina pa parang nangihina eh.
Pwedeng pakibilisan pa rin? Please? May mga pupuntahan pa yung mga tao dito, oh.
Miss, okay ka lang? Parang namamutla ka na.
Po, ayos lang po ako.
Sigurado ka na? Kulang kaya ito sa kain, iha. Gusto pa naman yung mga estudyante.
Tay, ano na dyan? Iplik ka na muna dun, te. Namagulit na kasi mga tao mo. Mahaba na rin yung pila. Kanina ka pa kasi wala sa sarili.
Talia? Talia! Tulong! Ate! Ate! Patulong naman po kami! Patulong po!
Hindi, okay lang ako. Legit.
Ano ka ba, te? Sobrang putla mo na kaya. Ano ka, bes? Ngayon ka pa talaga nahimatay. Diyos ko ka.
Wait, si ate na himatay ka. Kakakin yung cellphone mo. Mag-viral
Uy,
tong
tulungan
video
natin.
na to. Eksena, nahimatay si ate. Ate, tingin ka dito.
Talia! Talia!
Hello? Sino po sila?
Sino yan?
Tito, ako po to si Joanna Castillo po, Tito.
Hoy, Joanna! Kumusta na? Sila...
Tito, si Talia po. Nahimatay po siya. Andito po ako ngayon sa grocery store po. Yung malapit po sa tulay.
Ha? Ano? Joanna, ano to? Ha? Ano nangyari?
Bakit? Ano yan? Uy!
Hindi ko po alam, Tito. Bigla na lang po siya nawala ng malay eh.
Sige, sige. Papunta na ako.
Ernesto! Ano ba? Ernesto!
Talia, okay ka na? Kamusta na pakiramdam mo? Bigla ka na lang nahimatay kanina. Tapos, ang daming customers na dumagsa. And hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Kaya tinawagan ko na lang si Tito.
Jo, ba't ka nandito?
Basta, okay ka na ba? And since when did you start working here sa grocery store? Why didn't you tell us?
Huwag mo muna akong problemahin.
Look, Talia, I've known you since you were little. You were never good at lying, so please, tell me the truth.
Joanna, please. It's not that serious. Bakit ka nga ba kasi nandito?
Ano kasi?
Talia! Anak! Oh, Talia, anak! Ay, salamat, Joanna. Talia, paano ka? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ano, umuwi na tayo? Salamat ulit, Iha.
Sige po, Tito. Balitaan niyo na lang po ako.
Talia, anak, anong nangyari sa'yo? Ano, napano ka? Saan ka galing? Ernesto, ano ba kasi talagang nangyari?
Iwan ko ba dyan sa batang yan? Gaano ka naman kasi katagal nagtatrabaho doon, anak? Bakit? Naghihirap kami dalawa ng nanay mo para sa'yo. Para hindi ka na magtrabaho. Para mag-aral ka lang.
Ha? Teka, ano? Anong trabaho? Talia, anak! Anong ibig sabihin nito?
Anak, hindi mo na kailangan gawin yon. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay maging estudyante. Di ba nga yung ate mo?
Ano naman si ate? Ate! 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 Wala na siya pa!
Tala! Hindi kita pinalaki ng ganyan. Alam mo, nandito siguro yung ate mo. Kung lalo hindi niya magugustuhan yung pinagkagagawa mo.
Tama na! Anak, ano naman kasi tinatago sa amin?
Pinagpapawala ka namin kasi alam mo, pag ikaw rin nawala dahil sa kakatrabaho mong yan. At nandito yung ate mo, sa tingin mo matutuwa siya sa pinagkagagawa mo?
Talia! Ernesto naman!
Tandaan mo, Tal. Ako, at ikaw. Promise mo kay ate na tatandaan mo yan, ha?
Pwedeng wag ka na lang huminga? Wag kang kabahan?
Si Talia kasi, sabi mo na himatay. Paano kung di siya makapunta ngayon? Paano na? Di ba siya rin yung nakatoka sa hard copy?
Ay, oo nga. Paano na to?
Uy! Ano, yung... Kagrupo ni Talia, di ba?
Group 4! Miss Proset! Group 4? Kayo lang? Di ba tatlo kayo? Anyway, present now without your missing group mate or don't present at all. Dali! Tumatakbo yung oras!
We apologize, Mrs. Prim. We're ready now.
Good morning to our panelists.
Over naman sa ask yung mga panelists. Pero, asa na kaya si Talia, no?
I don't know. Sick na nga rin eh.
Baka kasama mo siya nung nakaraan? What happened?
Basta, you know what? I'll figure this out.
Okay, sige. Una na ka, Jo. Bye. Ay, sorry. Matagalan ba? Dami kasing tanong ng mga panelist eh.
Ayos lang. So ano? Research defended ba o research offended?
Ang funny mo, no? Pero yes, research defended na.
As expected. Galing mo talaga. Tara, kain naman tayo. My treat.
Oh my god. Kai, is that you? Claro Exmo. Oh, what a sweet surprise. Hi Kai, long time no see.
What do you want this time, Claire?
New friend. Hi, I'm Kai's ex. And you are?
Tara na.
Don't you want to acknowledge them first?
Kai, baby, please, let's talk.
Ba? Don't touch me.
Excuse me?
Kai! Ano ba? Para namang wala tayong pinagsamahan.
Yung pinagsamahan natin, Claire, tapos na yun. Let's go, Kanan. Are you okay? Sorry about that, ha? She's just so, makulit eh.
Ha? Ano ka ba? Okay lang, no? Ganda pala ng ex mo eh. Bagay kayo.
Lo, syempre ikaw pa rin ang the best.
There's my girl. So, how was it?
It was good. Yeah, Kenneth and I worked together.
As expected. But I thought you were working with Bautista. Never mind, enough of that. You know what, anak? Keep this up. You will be a great doctor, Iha.
About that...
Spirits were low and money thinner. You wore courage like a mask, carrying me with tired shoulders. Built us a life from crumbling stone. So I learned not to want too loudly. Learned to make my dreams on my own. 'Cause I don't want this, not anymore. As I've always wanted, so much more. Other than the path I've been moving towards. There's a part of me who don't see much, something I was scared to start. I've been drawing in the quiet, in the corners of my heart. You said dreams don't pay the bills, that they fall apart with time. So I learned to chase what's practical and leave what felt like mine. I don't understand. It's always been a part of me, Mom. You think this through with every single brush of my life. Always about. Has it ever been about me? All that we planned. Yes, dreams don't pay the bills, and they fall apart with time. Why don't you choose what's practical? You learn to love it over time. I'm not running from the life you gave me. I'm standing on it, learning to start. All the strength you built inside of me lives in every piece of art. Well, now I'm ready to say it, even if it tears us apart.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Joanna? Iha? Nakita mo ba si Talia? Buong araw na siyang hindi nagpapakita eh.
Po? Nawawala si Talia? Hindi ko pa po siya nakikita. Hindi rin po siya nakaabot sa research presentation namin today.
Yung mga kaibigan nyo, may nakakita ba sa kanya ngayong araw?
Hindi po. Hindi po siya pumasok today. Talia.
For my speech, I do not feel comfortable giving advice or telling you what to do. Because, quite frankly, I did not know what I was doing. But still, I ended up here. I did not achieve this alone. I did not create our winning paper alone. I created it with groupmates that I once thought would bring me down. But they ended up teaching me lessons that had nothing to do with academics. Life is uncertain, but the people beside us give us moments of clarity and comfort. They remind us that we are not alone. So to everyone here, we do not need to keep going to be the best. We only need to keep going because we are still becoming who we are meant to be. Life has a way of pulling us into different directions. But I hope you choose the path your heart truly desires. Not the path others expect, not the ones that looks easiest, but the one that makes you feel alive. And to those who act strong even when everything inside them is breaking, you don't have to hide anymore. You deserve to speak, you deserve to show up as yourself, you deserve to let it out, be heard and to be held. Don't have to be strong every second of your life. We all carry things others may not. We all fight silent battles. That's why kindness matters. That's why compassion matters. You never truly know what someone is going through. From this day on, you hold the pen. You write your own story. Not life, not pressure, not fear. You. I hope you write something you're proud of. Something messy, something brave, something honest, something real.
Congrats, Beg! Galing mo talaga. Sobrang main character. Work, di nyo kaya.
Naku, siguro kung ako yun, umiyak na ako sa gitna ng speech.
Deserve na deserve. Proud kami kahit di tayo close.
Grabe kayo. Thank you, ah. Congrats! You have made me proud, anak. More than you'll ever know. Di naman kita mapipigilan kung sa arts talaga yung gusto mo eh. Do what makes you happy. I will support you. O sige na, go with your friends na. Naghihintay na sila oh. I'll see you later.
Congrats, BFF! Grabe ka na talaga. You deserve everything, Jo.
Uy, oo nga. Congrats, Jo.
Thank you. Congrats din. Graduate na tayo.
Si Kay po, kaibigan ko.
Ikaw pala yung dahilan kung bakit di na mukhang lutang tong anak ko.
Opo, Tito.
Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa kanya.
Pa naman!
Joke lang. Pero, totoo yan Kung saan ka masaya, anak. Ayos na si Papa.
Thank you, Dad.
Pwede na po kayong magstay. Tatawagin ko na lang po kayo ulit.
Maraming salamat, Miss. Oh, anak, yun na pala mga sponsor mo eh.
You know that we are friends because we care for each other. And I'm sorry for what I've done, so always remember that we love you and we're always here for you. So be strong and be great to continue our journey. But that's what we're here for. We couldn't
nothing we've ever wanted more. You don't owe nobody an explanation. I only care that you're very well.
My dear Joanna, maybe it's not such a bad idea. Follow your dreams, pursue your calling. I'll be right here, always here. You can always run to us for some support. Don't need to keep to yourself now. The mind is a strange place, it's always so wrong. If failure awaits, so disgrace, and you'll find that no matter how tall the fall is, you'll find the strength to pass on through that wall. We've come so far, but still we don't have it all. But one thing is for sure, it's that we're not on our own. It may be easier to say than do, but that's what we're here for. I owe a lot to you guys, you can get your part in this too.
This is a dream come true. All thanks to all of you. Correction, all of us.
Seeing us like this fills me with faith that we'll all be We've come so far, still we don't have it all. But one thing is for sure, is that we're not alone. It may be easier to say than do, but that's what we're here for. We've come so far, still we don't have it all. But one thing is for sure, is that we're not alone. It may be easier to say than do, but that's what we're here for.
Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of our musical play and the senior high school's evening presentation. Once again, let's give it up for the Luminara! It is a play that we can relate and reminded of our struggles, acceptance, and breakthroughs. And now, let us call on the very special people who made this play possible. Let us give them a round of applause. Let's start with the art and technical department. Let's meet the technical team. Paul Jan Ipanes of D12B, Yuri H. Alcantara of A12A, Aisen C. Villalobos of A12A, John Bert F. Kasunkad of C12A, Isabella P. Lilio of C12A, Gerald Wayne T. Hidalgo of C12A, RJ R. Mayo of C12A, Justin P. M. Miguel of C12A, Hadri Josh P. Mino of C12A, Altair G. Robledo of C12A, Bon David P. Salvatierra of C12A, Matt Gian L. Santos of C12A, Ayan Matthew L. Tabalan of C12A, Heaven Justin Tedencia of C12A, Ian L. Cancino of D12B, Gian S. Somsho of D12A, Denise L. Cruz of D12A. Once again, the technical team.
Come so far and still we don't have it all, and it's unsure how much more the world's got.
Moving on to the custody members. Edgina B. Makalalat of D12A, Patrick P. Manuel of D12A, Arwina C. Narcana of D12A, Altea G. Robledo of D12A, Gabi Ann D. Taduyo of D12B, Cananea of Team Villas of D12A. Once again, custody. Let's give them a round of applause. We now turn our attention to the wardrobe members. Maria B. Bacalyan of D12A, Alexander M. Gumaya of D12A, Lord Ian P. Rosete of D12A, Christine Jem F. Dipano of D12A, Holly Purple Escanio of D12B, Renz Leonard S. Olabe of D12B. Once again, let's recognize the wardrobe team. May we now invite the hand-in members to step forward. Shivana N. Campo of T12A, Angela T. Misola of T12A, Ella P. D. of T12A, Charlene S. Calderon of T12A, Micaela S. Baribar of T12A, Catherine N. Magallanes of T12B, Nar Marisol M. Labrador of T12B, Era L. Carlos of D12A, Andre Carla C. Dazo of D12A, Ivan Gabriel Octavio of D12A, Cheska Dayan L. Mayugba of D12A. Thank you, hand-in members.
Hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin ang nais ko.
I am endlessly grateful for the support.
Please join me in recognizing our built-in members. Maggie C. Guyena of D12A, Yunalia of D. Angelito of A12A, Savannah Erica Frente of D12B, Theoden P. Herman of D12A, Walter R. Jurado of A12A, Ryle A. Gavin of D12B, Tristan A. Garcia of D12B, John Paul J. Ruiz of F12A, Mark M. Santos of F12A, Lucas B. Marquez of F12A, Ethan Luke B. Cruz of E12A. Another round of applause for our dedicated built-in members. We now turn our attention to the production team. Let's start with the publicity and documentation members. Antoinette Til Alinio of D12A, Joshua S. Bernabe of D12B, Monica E. Casabuena of D12A, Mariela A. De la Cruz of D12A. Once again, the publicity and documentation members. Let us now proceed to the music and sound production members. Erin Angelo C. Hernandez of C12A, Julian Joshua Elandayan of D12A, Marie Hannah El Sajo of H12B, Alexis May El Salde of H12B. Thank you, music and sound production team. Now may we call on our choreographers. Kyle Bernice T. Mirasol of D12A, Penelope Elena P. Varona of D12A. Once again, let's give them a round of applause.
Everyone seems to have found themselves. I know you may well think I'm
Let us now hand things over the playwrights. Samantha P. Escarilla of E12C, Kichi Ain El Moya of E12A, Astrid James and Rosal of E12C, Ava and Samatan of E12A, Dean Marcos G. Tan of E12A. Once again, the playwrights of Luminara. Let us now recognize the ensemble. Vincent Nico B. Adviento of D11A, Elis Beatriz Di Maza of D11A, Juliana Marie M. Cadilinia of H11B, Noreen Angela Villeno of H11B, Maria Cassandra P. Cruz of E11B, John Hansen D. Bacalares of M11E, Althea P. Digia of E12I, Misha Carisic Custodio of H12D, Margaret Fiona M. Bañez of E12B, Gabriel B. Bulaso of E12D. Francesca May A. Villaflor of H12D. Yana Patrice A. Dizon of H12B. Claire Anastasia and Beppery of H12B. Janelle M. Macabulos of H11B. Erin Bianca B. Laneta of H11B. Let's give them a round of applause. Let us now highlight the supporting cast. Miguel Luis Bulanadi of M12B as Nicolo Vergara. Arcid F. Combinido of A11A as Ernesto Bautista. Nina Tica Busora of E12H as Susan Bautista. Eliza May S. Castro of H12D as Sanchez Castillo. Zandro Fel M. Bascon of E11A as Kai Manalo. Normie Josie F. Alegre of H12A as Kate Bautista. Once again, the supporting cast. Let us now give the spotlight to our main cast. Emil Ruizo of M11A as Kenneth Vergara. Yeli Marie A. Aquino of H12B as Joanna Castillo. Micaela Santina E. Udulio of E12J as Talia Bautista. Thank you for that moving act. Job well done. Of course, if there are members of each department, there are heads who willingly supported the whole production of the Luminara. To ensure everything runs smoothly, let us now welcome our art and technical heads. Assistant Technical Director, Maria Sofia Fergie M. Co. of D12B. The Technical Director, Jan Jeda Nicolai L. Marqueses of E12A. The Custody Head, Abigail P. Suanino of D12A. The Wardrobe Head, Manix Jacob C. Peñasales of D12A. Hand in Head, Adeline Daniel L. Marpuri of D12B. Built-in Head, Julian Meg R. Angeles of D12A. Once again, let's give them a round of applause. Moving on to our production heads. The production design heads, Marquisha Frida M. Nases of D12A. Adriana M. Religioso of D12B. Job well done, production design heads. Once again, let's give them a round of applause. Let us now recognize the art directors. Assistant Art Director, Jen Abigail Yuyi Takata of D12A. And our Art Director for this evening presentation, Deliza El Cancino of D12A. Let us now recognize once more the hard work of Art Directors. Let's hand things over to our very capable Publication and Documentation Heads. The Assistant Head of Publication and Documentation, Micaela Luis V. Arisgado of D12B. And our Head of Publication Documentation for this evening presentation, Haniel V. De La Puente of D12A. Thank you very much, Publication and Documentation Heads. Setting the limelight to our Stage Manager, Diane Natalie Feliciano of D12A. The Assistant Head Stage Manager, Rashid G. Salazar of D12B. And our Head Stage Manager for this evening presentation, Marian Hans C. Sabile of D12A. Once again, let's give them a round of applause. We now turn our attention to our head choreographers. The assistant head choreographer, Mika Genevieve S. Neri of D12B. And our head choreographer for this evening presentation, John Cesar R. Pamilara of D12B. Once again, let's give them a round of applause. To ensure our music runs smoothly, let's welcome the music and sound production heads. The assistant head of music and sound production, John Levine D. Boloso of D12B. And our head of music and sound production for this evening presentation, Rainiel Vincent M. Panal of D12A. Let us now recognize the brilliant minds behind the story of Luminara, the heads of playwrights. The assistant head playwright, Christian Jeremy B. Balimilaran of E12C. And our head playwright for this evening presentation, Bea Palenzuela of E12A. Overseeing everything with precision and dedication, please welcome the production manager of Luminara, Dayan Situanyo of D12A. We truly appreciate the hard work of our production manager. Once again, thank you. Of course, let us also acknowledge the effort and dedications of our faculty committees of the different departments. Starting off with our faculty committee for the art and technical team, Mr. Allen L. Mendez, Mr. Luis Miguel V. Candido, Mr. Andrew Miguel Q. Castañas, Mr. J.R.S. Rafael, Miss Leori Ramonet C. Ignacio, Miss Jillian Camille Abiera. Once again, let's give thanks to the Faculty Committee of Art and Technical Team. Let's give them a round of applause. Let's hand things over our dedicated Faculty Committee of the production team. Yours truly, Mr. Druzen I. Pupa, Mr. Giancarlo L. Vallepas, Miss Joanna V. Araneta, Miss Christine V. Fadera, Miss Michanela Grace M. Estrada, Miss Christine Joy L. Ranin. Our sincere thanks to our faculty committee of the production team. Job well done. Let's give them a round of applause. With great organization and vision, let us all acknowledge the co-chairs of the evening presentation. The art and technical co-chairperson of Luminara, Miss Jorel Kyle C. Salandanan. And the production team co-chairperson of Luminara, Miss Genevieve C. Mabaza. Once again, a round of applause for our co-chairs of Luminara. Behind every successful production is a strong management. Let us now invite the chairs of the evening presentation. The art and technical chairperson of Luminara, Mr. Arvin Jake S. Fernando. And the production chairperson of Luminara, Miss Marjorie V. Soriano. Let us extend our appreciation with a warm applause. Job well done, teachers. Behind every successful production, there is strong leadership. Let us now invite the coordinators of the evening presentation. The Art and Technical Coordinator, Miss Leila L. Rojas. The Production Team Coordinator and the Senior High School Overall Chair, Miss Ira Muriel D. Antonio. Let us commend them for the job well done. And special thanks to our Senior High School Division School Principal, Mrs. Maria Teresa B. Bonus. Thank you to the cast, production staff, and technical team for letting us witness this memorable musical play. Truly a great success.
Her voice rings in my head to give my all.
Once again, let's give them a round of applause.
So far and still we don't have it all, and it's unsure how much more the world's got in store.
And we invite Mr. Vicente K. Pabella to join the photo opportunity.
I've got it all, I'm told. What's my excuse? They're all the rhymes at my attempts. Do better, strive for higher, aim for the sun. Any less is unacceptable. It's no use being a star if you're not the brightest. Guy's only got room for one. Can I be that one?
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our university president, Mr. Vicente K. Pabella, the Board of Trustees, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Miguel M. Carpio, the Academic Council, our EOS Integration Officer, Mr. Romel C. Navarro, function heads, and other school officials. We highly appreciate you all. Thank you. To our University Week Executive Committee Chair, Mrs. Grace Marie B. Martin. To our Senior High School Principal, Mrs. Maria Teresa B. Bonus. The department chairs, our Senior High School's faculty, staff, and students, for your generous and unfailing contributions to our school's event. We'd also like to express our gratitude to the JRU administrators for providing their assistance to make this event successful. We would also like to thank the Engineering and Maintenance Office, Marketing and Communications Office, and the Information Technology Office. Thank you. Our sincere gratitude to our dear audience here and on Facebook Live who stayed until the end and continuously supported our events. Thank you so much. And now, our musical play Luminara has come to an end. But I hope that the lesson of this story will continue to live in your hearts. May we all have the courage to break free and showcase our Husay Rizal. This is Druzen I. Pupa, your MC for this momentous event. We look forward to seeing you at the next year University Week. Husay! Once again, ito ang Luminara, atin ang tanghalan ngayong gabi. Muli, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ingat po sa inyong pag-uwi. Guests and students, please observe Clego. Clean as you go.